So this one's going to be a quick one compared to my normal videos. So in this scenario, you've got a you've got a file or folder that you can't access because Windows can't basically access the folder, most likely due to an issue with the folder name. Now, in this scenario, we've got a full stop at the end of the folder name, which is causing the problem. It can also happen if it's got a space at the end. So if we go into new folder, you'll see this is our problem child. Double click on that and we get that the folder's unavailable. You will also get that the system can't find the path if we open up command prompt and we try and access test. Now you can try renaming the file in the folder in Explorer. You can also try renaming it in command prompt. Doesn't work. You can try removing it. You can try deleting it. Won't work. Basically because it's got a dot at the end. Windows has a hissy fit and just can't see it anymore, or it just can't access it. So the way we get around this is we are going to install, if you haven't got 7-zip installed, install 7-zip. Apparently WinRAR will also do it as well, but I've found 7-zip file manager works really well for this. Open up, go to the location, right click on it, rename, remove the problem child and hit enter. Now, if we go to here, you'll see that the folder's updated and we can now access it. Same if we go through command prompt, we can now access the folder. And yeah, that's the way to get around it. The way that the issue could arise, and this is how I had to actually do it, was if we go back to this folder, you'll see I've got a zip file. Open the file in whatever program you want to use. In this case, because I've got 7-zip installed, I'm just going to use 7-zip. Going to go to extract files and you've got the folder name that you can create right there. This will, if you try and add a dot to the end of a full stop to the end of a folder name in Windows Explorer, it doesn't add it. If you do it in 7-zip or probably WinRAR, it's going to add it. So if we do that, for example, and if we update, there you go. You've got the problem again. So yeah, that's one way that you could come across the problem. It could be a user just accidentally creates a folder, then doesn't know how to access it. If you have got backup systems running, they are probably going to back up the folder. Acronis does that. It'll back up the folder, and so will shadow copies as well. If you've got shadow copies enabled on your folder, on your server, and it's backing up the folder that this gets extracted to, it's going to back up the problem as well. So that is something to bear in mind. But yeah, the only way you're going to get around it is basically installing something like 7-zip and renaming it using the file manager. And yeah, that's it. Nice and simple.